Yo, what's poppin', guys? Back with another app. Back with another game of My Talking Angela. This time I got 20 diamonds. He needs some milk. Okay, so I've been calling around. Blurp. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, what should we, wait, it's Halloween. Okay, it's Halloween. How would I fucking know? Very cross of her. Okay, now. See. Too spooky. You. Mother. Okay, let's dance. Okay. I'm getting freaking scared about this. Well, I wanna say to Kings Play YT, thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Yeah, if you want to see more of my videos, just click on videos. If you want to see my playlist, just tap the tab playlists. Yeah. Well, Kings Play YT, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Okay. This game's retarded. What did I get? Just another one. What the? Okay, now let's see. Should we give her the baby potion? Oh wait, I did that on the next last video. Okay, so let's see. Which potion do we need to buy? I know, the baby potion. Yeah, because she's a toddler. Okay. Yep. What? La 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 la. Okay. Okay, now let's see, okay. You know that this is the horse shit baby food. Okay. Well, since this is retarded, we should take a picture. Okay. Let's go to the tools. Screenshot should be turned on. There we go. Screenshot. It's retarded. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, I've been calling him. Okay, let's see. You want to see this? Okay, this is gonna get so retarded. Okay, take that, you stupid idiot. Okay, that's gonna wrap up for this video. If you want to see more, just subscribe to my channel, comment the video, and turn on post notifications on, and tell me in the comments below that you subscribe. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Hey guys, it's me. Okay, so I want to say a big thank you for y'all. Thank you for 14 subscribers. I just want to thank you. Kings Play YouTube, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!